Go ahead. Go ahead. Beat me. Bamugobye. Eh? Oh. I'm going to show you. It's run by someone. Wait. So-called supervisor. You're fired. You are fired. Don't tell the get man I'm going to let you that won't kill something on it together. Okay. Get out of my face. Out. I'm sorry. Out. I'm sorry. Operator. Don't sit there. What do you call? Oh, I don't call her restaurant. You're coming to it. We're going to put a mobile with all of you. Get out of my face. Wait. Over there, over there. You're going to the Sauna. And who told you you're going to mingle with our clients anyway? Stop it right there. You guys gotta be kidding me right now. This point in time, this is what you're rehearsing. Water. At this time, anything you're rehearsing should be oozing Christmas. Not make me sweat. No. You guys, at Paradise Lounge, we want our clients to be feeling at Christmas. I was even about to call our boss to grab a performance. What's going on? What? You have a Christmas performance? You're sure? Hit me. I need a step.
Merry Christmas! Night.
You just have to perfect the choreography, that's all. But I love the approach. I really love it. So you get back to work, madam. Get back to work.
Oh my God. Jane! Did you just spill water on me? Did you just spill water on me? Did you just spill? Let me hope Coco is in. Excuse me. Hi. Oh, Coco.
Abigail.
Yeah?
I'm putting over to screaming. I was wondering what is going on.
Somebody just spilled water on me.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. We will handle that.
Coco!
Abigail.
How are you?
Long time no
Long
see.
time!
We're going to be.
But now I'm good.
Yeah, what's up?
You're smart.
Thank you.
Different.
You're smart as always.
Yeah.
What you charge?
Busy.
Visible. What you call it? Visible. Abigail, visible.
I have something I want to talk to you about. It's about Donald.
Donald, what's wrong with Donald?
Donald ali bulungi. Okimanyi no maze emyezi esatu simuwulira.
What?
I don't know. When took waka ali ku mulimu, when took mulimu ali waka, now I am tired of going
Is that possible?
And if I call him, he doesn't answer. Let's we're gonna straight to voicemail or when I'm busy. Oh my God, you
3 months. No, I think there's a problem.
Did you see him of late?
There has to be a problem with his phone.
But I'm
Let me try to call him. Hey, you doing?
Absolutely, I love you. That's the way you are, girl.
Yes, he drinks, but he never picks.
Yes, Manager Coco.
Oh, hi, Donald. How are you? Are you okay?
Everything is fine.
Okay. Are you going to pass by?
Yes.
Are you going to pass by?
The club. It's the club. It's the paradise.
Oh, you're coming to the club. That will be
I'm
good.
with my family, yes.
Okay, I'll see you then. I'll see you then.
Kali.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Any problem?
No, it's open you here.
Did he just pick?
Oh, God. And he said he's coming over.
Why did I call Tapwas?
Just the way you are, girl.
No. You give me a
No.
using your phone.
No. Stop tripping. The thing is, I'm sure there's a very good reason why Donald is asking your calls. Just calm down. Take a chill pill.
I'm
He's
his
coming
life.
over.
I'm his heir.
We don't walk it out. Just calm down, okay? Come.
Can I use your phone?
No.
Won't you?
Have a seat. I'm gonna have someone to take care of you
Okay.
as he comes over. Samantha,
Yes, Manager Coco.
Mami Jangola belong Charlo. Give her whatever she wants. Give her something strong. She seems trouble, okay? Take a sec. She's gonna get you something, okay?
Okay.
Just come
I
on.
need something strong.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Where is she?
Yes, please.
Just get me tequila.
Just 2 shots of tequila, just tequila.
Just bring a bottle of tequila. Just bring tequila. I need something strong. I'm good. Kamukubye kuba bati ngeri gyeyakamala okukwata koko kitegeeza nanga ajja kunkwata. My God. Tequila, darling.
Yes, how are you? How are you?
Take over your down part.
Oh, you're done.
Eh?
Let me organize the bar.
I jump part.
It's all over Wandama.
Chokanze bulamu bwe.
Samantha, please. I want to treat you. Behave.
Ajja kwata because he can't live without me.
You have fuel? Hey, because I have less money. Do you have fuel? Fuel. Is your fuel enough?
I think. Thank you. I can handle. I can take it
Because I
from
have
here.
to send you in the morning. Can I send you in the morning?
I think I should call the dad.
Can I send you the money in the morning?
I said I can take it from here, darling.
Okay, let me send what I have. Okay, then I will send the balance in the morning.
That's away.
Yes, sir. Oh, I'll be there.
Hello?
So,
Yeah, I just want to sing something. Please. Yes, Mom. Yes, can I talk to him? Hi, Daddy. Yes. Where's the salt? Where's the lemon?
Salt, I'm really sorry. Can I get you anything? Can you?
On that, take this one.
Hello. Hi, baby.
Hey.
Yes, baby. I'm good. Let's do the about us.
that's good.
Dad, thank you.
Yes, I'm going to try to keep it safe. Get ready, get ready.
Hello, what are you calling me as if the world is ending? Oh. Yes, I just met her.
Today?
Tosobola kukikkiriza badde tekwata ssimu zange olw'okuba olina akawala kakukuya namo.
My God.
Pablo,
Yes.
it's time to take action. Just do as planned.
Nsonyiwa sikolera wano mami sikolera obuzibu bwenina sorry supervisor asaba kunsonyiwa nina obuzibu mba nakalongoosa abantu bweki ngabawo embuzi ejja nekolaki ne wuno jangu wanonyamu obwedde gwenoonya olaba bwe eyo gyenkolereyo emanju mu toileti mba naakalongoosawo bwe nti ngenda okwewa omuwala ng'afaayo ate era nga tewatuuti awantu ewamu wennyini wadduka sabye nkokukola ki okulongoosa kugaaba tamanyi abatalina tageti itawo leero kwagenda okwerongoosa pitaako omuntu n'olongoosa okigera n'olongoosa ate notugaza wakola itawo itakuwali bwe mutulowoleza nti
mujje ekiri mu fumbiro omanye ekituuseewo manejako ekyo ekikazi nze nabagamba lwegikwata manejako kugendamu birempi mumanyi kyakoze atuuse mu fumbiro kotiki kwagala naawe itawadde eri kankuwulira kitu agenze okyakuwulira tusanze maneja kukokora ng'akutte yudaaya ng'amuyisizaamu empi akubye kati takomye ku ekyo nagamba yudaaya let me tell you something I need you out of my kitchen awo empungidde neŋŋamba nze wekirinkwatako omwo bwe kiregera amatama nja kikuba wabuliranya oba olukitaasa simanyi kiki Let me tell you, I've managed to so many bars. What can you do?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Beat me. Vamos para Muberako. Vamos para correr. I'm going to show you. It's run by someone. Wait. So-called supervisor. You're fired. You are fired. Don't tell the get man I'm going to let you that won't kill something on it. Okay. Get out of my face. Out.
That's scary. Out. That's scary. Operator.
Don't you dare. What do you want? Oh, I don't want restaurant. You're coming to it. We're going to put a mobile with all of Get out of my face. Wait. Over there, over there. You're going to the Sauna. And who told you you're going to mingle with our clients anyway? Okay, now what's the sound? Don't you? Samantha?
Yes, please.
You're the new supervisor. What? It seems like she's the only person doing something around here. Okay? You're the new supervisor. Move in. I said move in.
What is she? Kati dda gy'obadde tugenda mu sawuna. Lwaki onyonyiba? Kiki?
Bamugobye eri gye nsinga ofunira tipu mbunzira wano mu bbaala wano tewakola.
Awadde ensonga ki?
Tewandi sirina na kyenkosa.
Naye gy'obadde.
Ekwe maama.
Kaaba tumanyi. Ndaba obega kiki? Naawe agobe. Olona buddeko. Tibuddeko.